welcome.
Daddy.
You're welcome.
Look at you. Welcome.
Bro.
You're welcome, brother.
Thank you, bro.
I missed
you more.
Thank you. Hey, my dear. How are you? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome, my dear. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Son, you're looking good.
Yes, ma'am. Why wouldn't I? Having stayed 1 year in the north where there's abundance of food. In fact, I brought some food stuff home.
You shouldn't have bothered yourself doing all that.
Why? I couldn't have stayed 1 year in the north and not come to this household with foodstuffs.
You see, you're welcome, my son. I welcome you. And I thank the God of our land for bringing you back from the north after 1 year military service to your fatherland.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Father, meet...
Hey, Nandi, this is not time to meet anybody. Let us all go in for refreshment. Yes. Then we can meet there.
I prepared a lot for you. Let's go in so you can eat and tell me more about the northerners.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. Get the feet on the ground.
Mom, this food is delicious.
You're welcome home, son.
Daddy? Meet my fiancée. Her name is Junwa. She's from Omoka Kingdom. We graduated from the same university and served in the same state.
My daughter, you're welcome. Thank you, Mom. You're beautiful. Thanks.
Who is your father in Umoka?
Mr. Longinus Adendo.
Longinus Adendo. Okay. And what does he do?
He's late.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
But he was a famous bricklayer.
Nandi, have you forgotten that you are a prince? The crown prince of Umachi Kingdom. You have the guts to introduce to me a girl, the daughter of a common bricklayer, as your fiancée. Come on. No.
Father, I've known that girl for many years. And I love her. She's the one I'm getting married to, not her father. Moreover, I don't even see anything wrong with her father being a bricklayer.
You see, you cannot marry from the household of the poor. No. Mba.
Dad, I've already proposed to her.
Then you have to go back and break up that engagement. You don't have any right to fall in love and make your love official without consulting me first. That is the way it should be. I'm telling you the truth.
Excuse me, Your Highness.
His Excellency, the governor is on the line.
Oh, His Excellency. Look, please take care. I know His Excellency.
Son, you have to give your father some time. It's a gradual process. It's not something you can just expect him to accept immediately. It's not done.
Mom, Honestly, I've told you both the truth. I can't let go.
I understand. I'll be
There
in love.
is no room for negotiation in this, mother.
Please, give your father some time. Okay?
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that
I've come to apologize for my father's attitude towards you when you came to the house. I'm sure he was only trying to make sure I don't make a mistake.
Come sit. It's okay, I understand. That's what every father would do for a son.
I love you. I really, really do. And nothing can change that.
I love you too. I'll always love you.
Thank you. So, where's your mother?
She went to the market. But she should be back any moment now.
Okay.
What do I offer you?
Anything. Anything will do. Anything from you is awesome.
Let's start with water.
Water then.
Excuse me.
All right.
I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way.
Welcome, Dad.
Good day, Your Highness.
Have I not warned you to keep off from this girl? Have I not? Dad! Listen, I don't want to see you with this girl again, whether in or outside this palace. And you, my dear, the earlier you keep off from my son, the better for you. Because as a father, the king of this community, it is my duty, my responsibility to approve a wife for him, who must come from a royal family, a princess, or a reputable person, not an ordinary person. Did you hear me?
Dad, how you... Listen, don't take that to heart, okay? My father just being sentimental. You know you'd expect that from a king. I assure you everything will be fine. Right? Everything will be fine.
The earlier you keep off from my son, the better for you. Because as a father, the king of this community, it is my duty, my responsibility to approve a wife for him, who must come from a royal family, a princess, or a reputable person, not an ordinary person. Did you hear me?
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you when you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me.
Go to Gezu and get my beads for me.
Yes, sir.
How are you, son?
Mom, I'm fine.
Then why are you so dull? I wonder what's bothering my son.
Mom, I'm just worried.
Worried?
Mom, I'm worried over what's going on between Dad and Nnamdi over his choice of wife.
Oh, that? Your dad wants the best for his children. That shouldn't bother you.
Mom, I don't think it's right for parents to choose wives for their children. Moreover, I'm getting older and I'll be getting married. I'm scared. I don't want to go through what my brother is going through right now.
Don't worry, son. I promise to talk to your father concerning that.
Please do, Mom. Moreover, Ujunwa seems to me like a good girl. I think she possesses all the qualities a man will ever need.
I think so too. If I may ask, are you dating anyone that is not from a reputable home?
What took you so long?
I'm sorry, I had a lot to do in the palace. I'm here now. Let's go before someone sees us.
That's all.
That must
That's some. Up now. My angel. My queen. What is it?
I'm scared.
You're scared? Of what?
Everything.
Everything. Including me?
My prince, I'm scared of everything. Your family. Especially your dad, the king. I don't think the king will be alive to see you marry a commoner. Talk more of a maid like me.
Okay. Your background does not matter here. What matters is that I, Prince Ebuka, is in love with you. Okay?
And I love you too, my prince.
Now, put some smile on that face.
So, what are we doing here?
Well, I brought you out here so that we both could enjoy the serenity of nature. Huh? Outside that palace. I just want to be out here with you alone. Okay? My princess. Awesome.
Up to now.
Mom, Dad said all that before her. And she cried home. How is it her fault that her father was a bricklayer? How is it her fault that she was born into a poor family? What fault of hers is that? All I know is I love her and I will do everything to make her my wife.
Don't worry, son. I'll talk to your father.
You just have to talk to him, Mother. Because I can't let her go.
I know. Just give him some time, okay?
I'd rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart and we will never part. I love you and you love me.
That's my son.
That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come.
What is it, Lord? I've been waiting for you. Is anything bothering you?
You are the one bothering me.
I'm the one bothering you. How?
I know you want the best for your children. But in the case of picking a wife, you have to respect their choice.
There you go again. Lord, are you telling me that you are in support of our son, the crown prince of this kingdom, to marry a commoner, a nobody?
That girl is not a commoner. We are all equal before God. Besides, she is a lab scientist. She is smart, intelligent, and beautiful. She will make a good wife. What you should be considering is the happiness of your son and not the background of the girl he wants to marry.
No. Being a scientist, or beautiful, or hardworking, or smart does not remove the fact that that girl is a commoner. But please, can we sleep and talk about this issue in the morning?
No. I want us to talk about it now. My king, can't you see that your choice of picking a wife for these children is destroying the whole family? Can you imagine that Ebuka approached me yesterday asking if you will be the one to pick a wife for him? Please, don't be the one to destroy the happiness in this home that took us years to build.
If Nnamdi marrying Ujunwa will make you happy in this palace, then he has my blessings.
Thank you.
Can we now sleep?
Yes, we can.
Yes, come in.
Who kept you so long?
I'm so sorry.
I've been waiting for you.
I'm sorry. I was actually waiting for the other maidens to sleep and those in the palace. You know the implication of what will happen to me If the queen should see me with you by this time, I don't want.
My love, I've told you this times without number. Nothing will happen to you. Okay? I love you.
I know. And I love you too.
I know that, my darling. Come here.
Namdi.
Father.
Come. I discussed with your mother last night concerning your choice of wife. I would like you to invite Ujunwa to the palace. I want to see her.
Hello.
Hey! I didn't hear you come in.
Yeah, I kind of sneaked in. I have good news.
You do?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
My father wants to see you. He's asked me to invite you to the palace.
What? Why?
I don't know, but I have this feeling he's going to approve of our marriage.
Are you joking?
No, I'm serious. Dead serious. Very serious. That's the reason I'm here. This is what will happen. You tell your mother about it and get prepared. I'll come tomorrow to pick you to the palace.
You're serious?
Very serious. You should be excited.
Well, Nnamdi, you know, now you're done with school. Father said you'll be taking over the company until I'm done to join you.
Congratulations! Congratulations, my prince.
Thank you, my sis.
Mother told me everything.
Told you what?
The father invited Ujunwa over to the house.
Yeah, that reminds me. And we need to celebrate it.
Yeah.
By the way, have you informed her?
I'm not telling her anything. There is no celebration yet until we know what father wants to say to her. You know how dramatic it can be.
Well, my wife has given me 1 million reasons why she thinks I should allow my children to be the ones to choose who to marry. And I have given a thought to it. So I've decided to allow you two to get married.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this and I'm glad that you have finally approved that we get married.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, my king.
Thank you, my daughter. I will discuss with Laura so that we agree on the next step to take.
All right, Dad.
My prince,
My darling.
I heard that the king has given his consent to Prince Nnamdi to marry Ujunwa.
Yes, my darling, and I'm so happy. Finally, we have the right to marry whosoever we want to, not minding their background.
I am so happy. At least that gives me hope that one day We may end up as husband and wife if it pleases the gods.
If it pleases the gods.
Did I say something wrong?
Your Highness. Come. Whose turn is it to dust this place?
It's okay, Your Highness.
Call her for me.
She's not around. She went out with Prince Ebuka.
Went out with my son? To where and for how long have they been gone?
I don't know, my queen.
Tell her to see me as soon as she's back. Get something to dust this place.
My darling, every man is a god of himself, and it pleases me, Prince Ebuka, that we spend the rest of our lives together. Now look. Now look. I have something to show you.
Where went you with my son that you left your work undone?
Your Highness,
Mom,
You needed to have seen what happened today.
What happened?
Remember I told you I was going to see a friend this morning?
Of course I remember.
Yes, on my way out, I saw Oge. Her temperature was so high. So I had to take her to a pharmacy to get her those drugs.
Drugs?
Yes, Mom. Huh? You didn't want to tell anyone, right?
Yes, Your Highness.
So I had to take her down there to get these drugs. Let me get upstairs to clean up. I'll see you soon.
Okay. I'll call the family doctor to come check you.
My love, what's wrong with you?
Don't you know I took 2 injections yesterday?
2 injections? For what?
Were you not the person that told your mother yesterday that I was sick and you went to go and get 2 injections?
For that reason?
See, the doctor even said I need a bed rest.
Huh? Bed rest? No, this is serious. I can't believe this.
Wait though. How in God's name did you come up with that drama?
What drama was that?
The drugs you showed to your mother.
Oh, that one. My dear, you should know I am a very bad sharp guy. Eh? I am a very bad sharp guy.
And your sharpness has landed 2 injections on my buttocks.
Oh, my dear, I'm very sorry about that. Okay? I'm very sorry about that, okay?
My love.
Yes, darling.
See, we really need to be very careful. If your parents should find out about us, trust me, they will kill me.
No, they wouldn't kill you. Because if they do, they should be ready to bury both of us. Because I'm not letting you go, no matter what. Nice smile for me, my darling. Get it.
You need to go. Just go, I beg.
You want me to go?
Yes.
Before I go, come on, give me some.
Just go.
I'll see you.
My name is Chifodo. Ujungwa is my niece. You're all welcome.
Thank you.
But before we proceed, you must give us 1 cock and 4 kola nuts, as that will assist us to appease our gods that has been protecting us for a very long time. You're welcome.
We are sorry we did not bring those items, but we want to exchange it with cash.
That's okay.
That's the money.
3,000. We took one in cousin.
No, it's just for our transport.
That's okay. 3,000.
Yeah.
Please excuse us, okay?
Yeah. We are coming. My queen.
3
Why are they leaving
kola-nuts
us?
and a cock to appease their gods before accepting our marriage proposal. This is strange.
My queen, it's strange to me too. Since I was born, I have never seen such tradition before.
Ugeze. What do you want? Good day.
Please, are you from this kingdom?
Yes, I am from this kingdom, but I am not from this kindred. Yes, I just came to see my mother-in-law who is sick.
It's all right. Okay. We actually came to marry from this kingdom, but they demanded for a cock and kola nuts for them to give to their shrine beside their house before they will approve our marital proposal. I don't know.
Okay.
What's the meaning of that?
Yes. Okay. It is the tradition of this kindred. Yes. Whenever somebody wants to marry any of their daughters, they must tell their goddess that somebody wants to marry one of her daughters. They did it to me when I came to marry my wife. Yes. It is not harmful. It is generally the tradition of Osu people to do that.
Osu people?
Yes.
Outcasts?
Yes. And when?
No, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My in-laws, the gods accepted our sacrifice.
Yes, they have.
We will now call out our daughter to come and show us the man who is after her heart.
There will be no need for that.
Mother, what's going on?
Get up! And you?
Oh no. What is the problem?
No problem at all. I will send message across. No problem.
I knew that something was wrong with that girl from the very first day I set my eyes on her. But it's you. You coerced me into allowing my... Oh, he's even here. Allowing my son to start the process of marrying an outcast. But it will never happen. It wouldn't happen, not even when I have joined my ancestors. It will never happen.
Father, all those things are in the past now. There is nothing like anyone being an outcast in this present generation.
Hey. So why did you not stop them when they were offering all those sacrifices to their gods? Because it is a thing of the past. Now you are standing before me, your father, the king of Umachi Kingdom, and telling me it is a thing of the past. Eh? Now listen, Nandi. I will not allow any Osu of any kind to enter into my family. Not talk of the blood of an Osu running in the veins of my generations. I will not. And you, I do not want to see that girl anywhere around this palace again. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good. I've always known you never wanted me to get married to that girl. You have kicked against it from the first day. But you know what, Father? I am going to marry her. Outcast or no outcast.
Namdi, try me. Try me.
You shouldn't have talked to your father the way you just did. Eh? And as for that girl, you're not going to marry her.
You don't just get it, Mother. I'm going to marry her.
You will not.
Nothing will happen, Mother.
You
I
will
will marry
not.
her. What is all this?
Stop crying. Eh? Stop crying.
If Prince Nnamdi is your husband, he will come back to you. There's no need crying out your eyes before it will happen. Please.
Ujunwa, stop crying. I must find out what went wrong. Besides, they promised to put message across on Wednesday they'll come to finalize the marriage rite. So all is well. Okay?
From the way they left, I don't think they're coming back. I don't think they're coming back.
Sophia, they must surely come back. It's okay.
I want to go. Let me be going, okay? It's already getting late.
Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
It's okay. Eh? Yes, now. Yes. Mudo. Hey.
The joke, Lord. I'm here because you're one of the cabinet members. And also my father's favorite kingsman. So on that regard, I have come here to plead with you. Help beg my father to allow Prince Nnamdi marry the girl of his choice before this thing turns to a problem.
Prince Ebuka, my son. Namron Okeana no Nolo Iwama Nobu. The girl in question, she's an outcast. Osu. This tradition have been there since our forefathers, and they can never change in our time.
But the choke, Laura. Huh? Most of our neighboring communities have abolished this Osu outcast system. It's a cake. For Christ's sake, we're in the 21st century, and there should be a way around this.
Prince, my son, there's an adage that says, what an old man sees sitting, a child can never see it, even though he climbed an iroko tree. With time, you understand.
Anybody home? Anybody home? Anybody home?
Who is that?
Good afternoon, my lady.
Good afternoon.
Please, the king requests your presence immediately at the palace.
My mother is not at home. You can go. When she's back, I'll come to the palace.
No. No one keeps the king of Umuachi waiting. Please, you have to come with me immediately.
I sent for you because I want to tell you that my son, Nnamdi, the prince of Umaji Kingdom, will never marry an outcast. I want to clearly warn you to stay away from my son because I will not tolerate your sight with my son again. The blood of a royal man can never mix with that of an outcast till the world ends. My family will have nothing to do with you, will not dine or walk with you again because it is an abomination.
Now leave this palace and never, never come back again.
Juma, are you crying because he called you an outcast? Or because he asked you to stay away from his son?
And Uju, I love Nnamdi. He's the only man my heart can ever accept.
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. See, if both of you are meant for each other, he will come looking for you. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying, Mom. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying. Don't. Oh? Because it's okay. It's okay. Oh, I don't
have any money, but I have
Mazokura, thank the God so that who went with the royal family to the place of their supposed bride. Otherwise, they would have made a mistake of their lifetime. And this would have brought curse on this village.
Ichie, for the fact they have stepped their foot into that community, they have committed sacrilege and need cleansing. A big cleansing,
total cleansing. You see, how do you relate it? The royal blood and that outcast blood.
That's all right for me. That's all right for me. I would rather be by myself.
Where are the car keys?
Sorry, my prince. The king gave me an order not to give you any car keys, but allow you go out without any car.
I love you when you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way.
But my prince, I'm sorry you can't leave.
If you don't get out of this gate now, you'll regret working in this place. Get out!
Love is all that matters.
I've read this in history books. I've heard stories about it, but I don't believe things like this still exist.
Well, it does. And here you are looking at one. I am an Osu. And frankly, growing up, I didn't care what people thought about it, just like you. It didn't matter to me. But now it does. Now that it's at the verge of costing me my happiness, it does. I mean, you would think that with the middle ritual that everything will be all right, but no. You are royalty. And so no amount of blood cleansing or passage rites qualifies a commoner like me to be your wife.
The truth is, actually, I don't care what anybody thinks. What matters to me is that I love you. Whatever they feel or think about you and your condition is absolutely none of my business. Yes.
Your father will have my neck. I can never be part of your family. In his words, nothing will ever make the blood of a commoner mix with royalty.
My father said that to you? Why did you keep this away from me? Why?
That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are.
Dad, how could you? How could you say that to that girl? How could you shut up? That was a huge embarrassment. I said shut up, Nnamdi.
Good day, my king.
Good day,
my
young
queen.
lady.
You're welcome, my dear.
Elias, my good friend.
Good day, my king.
Welcome to my kingdom.
Wow. My king, you have a great palace and a beautiful kingdom. You know what? Back in the UK, this kind of a place belonged to the bourgeoisies. I'm amazed I'm flabbergasted.
Welcome, my dear. Welcome.
And Ifoma?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
The last time I saw her, she was just barely 6 months. That was the day I dropped off her mother at Heathrow Airport.
All right.
Now look at her. She's a big girl.
That is it.
And
Prince Ebuka, sir.
Ebuka. Wow. Look at him, big boy.
with beers, right?
Thank you very much. You're welcome to the party.
I am flabbergasted. And where is Nnamdi?
Oh, Nnamdi is upstairs. He
Yeah,
just
he's
drove
upstairs.
in now.
Really?
He just drove in. Yeah.
That's great.
He just drove in.
And your daughter is not looking bad at all.
Really? You can say that again.
Please, welcome.
Come inside, my dear.
Okay. Wow.
Come, welcome.
You're welcome.
This is
My king.
Yeah.
My daughter here graduated last year from Kent University. And she hasn't been to Nigeria since she lost her mother. That's my wife. So she'll be staying with you people for some time before coming back to UK, just as discussed.
I understand everything. And I thank you immensely for bringing her. You see, it is not an easy thing with 2 children as a widower, especially somebody like you who is a pilot. And I have been looking for that avenue to reciprocate all your good gestures to my family. You sheltered and took care of my wife, the Queen, in the UK when she gave birth to my prince, Ebuka. You also did the same when she gave birth to my princess here. You see, this palace and this home is your second place. My dear, you are highly welcome.
Thank you so much, my king.
And Elias, I am assuring you that she would like it here.
You're welcome, my dear. You're like a daughter to us. So, feel at home. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this place.
I'm doing that already.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
You asked Mr. Elias to bring her daughter to the palace to live with us. And you didn't deem it fit to let me know.
Lolo, I'm sorry about that. But yes, I asked him to bring Vivian to stay with us. Because I need her around our son, the prince. At least she will make him forget the outcast. Yes.
The moment I saw Vivian, I knew you had a plan.
I have a plan. And that plan is in the interest of the whole family. Vivian is a very beautiful girl. She is intelligent, she is smart, and moreover, she is the daughter of my personal good friend. And that is the kind of girl I want my sons to marry.
I'm scared Nnamdi might not like her.
He has no choice.
Yeah, I'm so happy to have you around this house. It's always me and my mother. And you know it's not everything I can discuss with her.
I know. But yo, your brother, he's not happy.
Yeah, you're right. That's not the real him. Just that he has been passing through a lot emotionally.
Emotionally?
Yeah, emotionally.
What happened?
There's this lady that he's in love with. And he wants to marry her. But she's an outcast. So, my father told him not to marry her and never to see him with her ever again. So, the whole thing is really eating him up.
Outcast? What's that?
My dear, just
Leave the African story. Meanwhile, you're looking good.
This. Oh.
Thank you very much, Auntie Vivian.
You're welcome. But next time, don't bow to me.
But the Queen said we should treat you as royalty.
But I'm not royalty.
We know, and we don't want to lose our job. That is why we must obey the Queen.
Son.
Dad.
Hope you're having a good time.
Yes, I am.
I want you to just take a good look at Vivian. She's a beautiful girl. And she can make a good wife to you, you know.
Dad, I cannot see her. The only one I know is Ujungwa. And she's the one my eyes can see.
Nnamdi, I forbid you to mention that name before me. Just look at that girl, Vivian. She is the one you will marry. And that is final.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by my
Son.
Dad.
Hope you're having a good time.
Yes, I am.
I want you to just take a good look at Vivian. She's a beautiful girl. And she can make a good wife to you, you know.
Dad, I cannot see her. The only one I know is Ujungwa. And she's the one my eyes can see.
Nnamdi, I forbid you to mention that name before me. Just look at that girl, Vivian. She is the one you will marry. And that is final.
Here we are. This is the throne room where the king and his cabinet members sit for meetings. That's the throne. Please. It's only the king that has the right to sit on it.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. And the seats beside it is for the queen.
Wow, nice.
Honor will sit right beside the king.
Honor what?
Sorry, the prime minister.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And that cap over there is the king's crown.
Lovely.
Thank you. Wow. Most decisions are made here. Lies are not told in this place. Because the courts are listening. Are they here? You can't see them, so don't be scared.
Okay.
So, any of you?
Yes. One more thing. You said this? It's fine. I like it.
You can't take it.
I like everything.
Thank you. Thank you. You have to thank the king. Not me. All right, shall we?
Yes. My prince.
How will you?
He doesn't like me. I'm not welcomed here.
Just a minute. Nnamdi, what has come over you? What kind of drama was that?
What drama are you talking about, Mom? I mustn't really talk to her, you know.
Nnamdi, that girl is a prodigy. She is a lady that every man would want to have as a wife. And also a damsel every mother would want to have as a daughter-in-law. You better go back to her and apologize.
Really?
Yes, you have the right. Now!
Cute. Watching you do that.
Nnamdi! Nnamdi, come back here!
That's all right for me. That's all right for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me.
See, if you na reach house, tell una papa say Nana no go pay. My zinc dey leak since 3 months now. Una no fit repair am. Come here, come dey ask me for money. Una dey craze.
Let me tell you, I give you from now to next week. If you didn't provide that money, I will kill you.
You kill me? Yeah. See this toothpick? Look at this one. You the mad?
Hey, excuse me. Who are you referring to as a toothpick? Don't even try that.
Now you dey speak English.
Excuse me.
Hey, who opened it? Who opened it?
I don't show.
What
did they solve now?
Jeez.
Now collect. Today, I go do door for your body.
Allow it now. Efe.
Come here, what is that?
Oteri.
Man, I chop wish. What's that for now?
Good on now. No, my landlord children now.
Which one? I don't come up for worry because of worry crisis. I don't come here because they meet Igbo crisis.
I beg.
If I me shook them.
Crisis, you know they here. I beg.
Yeah, come on,
I beg. Cool down, Oteri. Your body too dey hot. Cool down. How old now?
Bros, na crisis o. Na crisis. Bros, that far now. Where your house?
My house.
See, I for buy you bread though.
You know.
But that woman when they say bread for NRA Junction, she go.
God punish you there. You know see bread. Where they go? Go.
I want go relax.
Come. No be my domot to be that.
Here.
You put it to the hot. Come on.
Where go be like bakery now?
Good down. You know say. This house, you get plenty road.
No be like I dey see am. You just dey like bakery.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all.
Oh boy. You still there they think?
What say?
Come we go hustle now. We go one of my friend where they wash car. Oh, see whether we go wash car, find money, put for pocket, use chop.
The crisis for worry no be here. The crisis for go after no be here. Ha! What say? Akporo don't fall o.
Akporo? Elewe.
Akporo don't fall. Even that our OV for when dey NRA Junction. The OV don kick GP tank.
Is it serious like that?
Now you dey yarn like this o. Sure? What say? Now let me begin call your dog o. You be also o. Mama Ochuko shop, they don burn am. Even that pikin.
That tower.
They cut him hand, seize am.
This seize am?
See, na God make me come out o. No be lie, you based on say God na Godfather, devil na area boy. Now just say fall out like this. So I say how far now? Make you yarn me wetin dey sup now. Wetin be the format? I don't take the hustle for here.
Nah, boy. Anything we dey street. Shey you know now how they do before now. We dey street, anything where they give money, they sell gala, they carry job. Anything where they legit. That's why they do.
See, say that one you talk so now, that one not concern me. Ka at all. Oteme, when you go meet her now. As I come like this now, I don't get time for car gala stuff. Even though say this land, no be oil land, but I know say oil where dey this land, money dey this land. Our mission na to find that oil where Siam. You know they see if a break record now.
Hunger go where you here. Now Igbo land be this.
I say.
I don't they go.
Maybe make I wash the car, but make it me wash car before I chop. I chop wish. Also, I bet lock up like Jacob. Where you fly?
No turn to lazy you too. I don't they go.
Also, I bet bounce.
Then.
I bet. Also, if you see groundnuts, go good.
Oh boy, have fun now.
I do. What did happen now?
Hunger don't wire me, oh boy. I no see anything work today. I don't waka. You don't see my sandal. I don't waka tire. I never chop. I never even do oil. Now my waka just, I say, I come meet you. Even if na anything, I just use it. I beg. I don't suffer.
See me where they and this car now, they use get hope. Once they give me money for this car while they wash now, I will just go buy food for my man Ketty place. I no get money for pocket at all.
Hey, you go square me something now. I beg. You go square me something. You know,
for the small change where they will give me. I lie you.
Who be that Shenkes?
That one. I should get this right now.
I should get this machine.
Nah.
You mean am?
Yes.
Nah, they get fine.
Yeah, be fine.
I they go meet am. Nah, they go meet am.
You they go meet with.
I go meet am. I no be woman.
Why you go meet am?
Oh boy.
Go call you for grand.
Call me for grand.
Yeah.
Fine boy like me. Watch me.
No go there. Shh.
No walk.
I dey want you.
No walk.
No go. Hey.
I said, shh. Hey. Wash the under. Wash and well. Wash that under well. Oh. Hello, pretty. Hello. I just wanted to admire you. You are beautiful. I was over there. I saw your beautiful face. I said, let me come and talk to this angel. I hope you don't mind.
Oh, please!
Actually, knowing you is an adventure. That is why I came. So don't be offended.
Get lost.
Sorry?
I said get lost.
You said I should.
You heard me.
Well, we're still gonna meet someday. Just take care of yourself, okay?
I am here for us to talk because we are women. I don't want to lose my family because you insist on seeing my son. My son and his father hardly exchange pleasantries because none of them is willing to let go. I can understand you in love. But please, you can as well help me in saving my family by staying away from my son. Good day. Your mother was more than a sister to me. Your mother was always there to help me go through pregnancy stress and always help me to take care of them.
Wow. You guys must have been very close.
Oh yeah, my dear. Being very close was an understatement. Your mother was more like a sister to me. You know what? I'm going to extend that motherly kind of relationship to you.
Oh yeah? Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my daughter. How are you finding the palace and everyone in it?
So far, I'm having fun. The maids, the guards, they're very respectful. And they've been treating me so nicely.
That's good.
Except the prince.
Don't worry, my daughter. He will come around. He's a man. And it's always like that in a man's nature to behave that way. Take care.
My love, I'll be going back to school tomorrow, so I want you to take good care of yourself for me. Okay?
My prince,
Yes, my love.
the palace will never be the same without you here with me. How will I cope? I'm going to miss you.
I know I'll miss you too. Okay? Don't worry. You'll cope just fine. Okay? Okay?
What's it? How far now?
Nah, and this shank they worry me. Oh. I just the reason they think my brain. In fact, it don't enter popcorn self. My head don't. I don't know how I won't carry follow am.
You missing that because of that shankers matter na make you lie low for here like this. You go dey think.
How I won't do am now? How I won't do am? Huh? How I won't carry do am? Where I won't start? Not be the same level now. Where I won't start?
Also, forget. Just lock up that matter. Level na level. Anyhow it be. Anyhow it be. See, make I tell you something, eh? You get some kind of level where you go dey. To meet up with the other person level, you got package. Come on that cut you for your ear. Me and yarn you something.
Nothing in my ear. My ear they open. This boy. You. See, may I tell you, here na Igbo land though, no be worry oh. They too get sense. Sense they worry them.
Igbo.
They even do them malaria. Make you they know how you they do.
Also, lock up like Jacob. Forget that matter. See, Igbo land oh, all worry oh. Anyhow how we go use and we go work. Why you dey yarn like this now? Okay, see, make I bring your memory back in case you don't forget. You forget that girl for Enere Junction. What be her name? Essie. No be this format we use. You work abi no work?
You work oh.
Okay. What of the other girl for PTI? Near that White House. That girl, Orenedo sister. No be this format we use. You work abi no work?
You work.
Okay. What of where we go Asaba?
For no be seen now.
Your head dey your neck. Yeah, that woman where they sell ogo soup and banga soup with stash. Wetin be her name? That guy when they carry motor. That wetin be this motor name? That when they carry motor, that motor they come there.
Where you two they follow for Nyash?
Shebi na the format we use. You work abi no work?
You work oh.
Sure. Why we go carry the same format enter this land, this Igbo land? You call they tell me say no go work. Also my for.
You know since I knew you, this no only talk wey make sense wey you don't ever tell me. Walai.
Also, see, now because you forget. This no believe this one be the talk one doctor wey make sense. Make I remind you. That day, the other day when they tell you say, oh yeah, where dey this land, say we go find am. Now the other where be this like this now. He sure, he be, bros, we go run am like that. Anyhow, how we go do am. You understand? By the time this format don't drop, wetin we dey dance that time, Nah, worry. They go hear am now. Worry. They go hear am. See, and they go back worry after this thing don't work. Me and Ayiri we go chop for the same table. If you go hear my story,
you dey enter Wafi back.
Before uncle.
Me I dey here. I dey here. I no dey go anywhere. I won't even dey here marry. I don't even want problem.
You go marry for here? Hey, Igbi. No wahala now. See, after I pay finish, I dey go back. I want them Ayiri go inside don arrive. I go even reach in one place. The best.
I can't believe you guys are forcing the prince against his wish to marry me.
No, my dear. We are not forcing him. We are only trying to make sure he makes the right choice of wife. We are his parents, Africans. We make sure we help them in some of their decisions, especially when it has to do with lifetime affairs. You are the right lady for my son.
I just don't want him imposed on me. I don't want that.
My dear, I want you to be the future queen of this kingdom. Yes. Come on, share up.
My daughter, I just want you to get closer to him and make him fall in love with you. Simple.
My king, I think his heart is with someone else.
Oh, come on. Look, take back the heart from whoever is holding it. That heart belongs to you.
My king, I'm trying so hard, but I'm sorry, it's not working.
Oh, come on, come on. It's like your best is not good enough. See, this son of mine has been made for you. He is nurtured for you. Please try harder. Do this for me and the entire kingdom. Please. I know you can do it.
Excuse me, my king.
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters.
Happy birthday once again. Wow, goodness me. This is awesome. Thank you so much. I'll open it when I get home. Okay. So now you tell me, how did you get the money to get this?
Well, you wouldn't let me spend from my NYC allowance, and so I figured I'd dig into it here.
Oh, sorry.
So
Wow.
I thought I might as well dig in my pocket. Let's hold my mind a little.
Come here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow!
So, shall we eat?
Okay.
Be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what.
How much is my bill?
We'll survive.
2,000.
Yeah, please put it on mine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hi, pretty.
You again?
Yeah, me again. Don't mind me, I've been following her around all the time.
What do you want from me?
At least, can we just sit down and talk, please?
I don't care what you are, I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me
You know, last week I spotted Super Eagles kit to Russia for this upcoming World Cup.
Awesome.
Yes.
You need to answer this call. SA to Mr. President, won't follow you now.
Please tell him I'm out of reach. Can't you see?
Also, no legit matter. Shankers, let me talk to us. SA, Mr. President, one year with him, I beg.
Hello. Oh yes, my brother. I'm so sorry. Oh, do you know I forgot that I'm part of His Excellency's convoy to Mexico? Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, please, can you put me on the next list? Thank you. Thank you. I'll give you a call. All right. If I don't need to answer any call again, please.
I can see you're such a very busy person.
See, Shankers, also here, they're very busy. Every day, they travel from here to here, from there to there. In Yash, no, they stay in one place. You know, they feel they cack one place. But thank God you don't show for your life now. Every day in activities.
Efe, can you get out?
Everywhere good.
Now?
Everywhere, but also, I feel order for the food now, sir.
Leave us.
Everywhere good.
Such a funny guy.
Sorry to interrupt your food.
Worry.
They go hear am.
Worry.
They go hear am.
We know they carry last.
Me carry last.
We know they carry last.
6 steps, 6 big boy steps.
If you waka like that, what on me plan how I go take waka?
Man, see you.
Oh boy.
I beg you, this man na hungry man waka.
We no go
Big
carry
boy
last.
waka now.
See, make I tell you. Even that draw, I no green. We no carry draw. Now we will carry first.
Before uncle.
Well, you know they carry last. Not today. You don't know the story. Alpha. Baba God, no bless only me.
Now wait till we go eat today.
Baba God, no bless only me.
On any day.
One way, you dey ask me. If you ask me, where I go ask. Wait, you buy another padlock.
If he be my landlord, do this thing.
Landlord.
That yeye man.
Who in help?
May you go meet am. Wetin be this?
Oh God.
Abeg.
I too keep person. I go shoot person today. See.
Oga landlord. Now you lock my door.
Ọmụ ake na akpọ guy. Ọmụ agbachiri ụyọ m anọ. Unu ji m ụgwọ ụyọ kemgbe otu afọ n'ọnwa asaa. Ịchọghị ịkwụ m ụgwọ ụyọ m. Anụ gị kpahụrụ m ụyọ m. Nwanne enweghị ego, aga m ịkpapụ ụyọ ọhụụ. Aga m ịgbapụ ya. Mgbe ọbụla nụ ego, ma gbapụ ụyọ ọhụụ. Ụyọ m, ụyọ kenu. Ụyọ m anọ.
I no understand. Na niti doctor you do incantation.
Oseri.
No, Ojite. Only what I dey hear na uyo. We dey Oyo State.
He say I dey owe am a year and 7 months. He no go open the door. Oga no be like that now.
Okay, you dey hold am. That's why I love the door. Oga come make I ask you. Federal government no dey hold.
Enyi ya mgbe na mgbe ọbụla nụ ji wee ego, ma gbapụ ụyọ kem. Ịnakpa nchịka ya.
Uyo, I go use the key, you see. If I not break this key, me to that fire me. Uyo, break the key. I go break the key.
Yo, cool down. Your body too dey hot.
Also, if I not break this key today, make I naked back for bedroom.
You don dey naked already. Say make you naked back for bed. Cool down. You no fit pay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my prince. Happy birthday to you. My prince, I got you these lovely gifts.
Thank you. But I don't need anything from you. I don't know what it is you're doing here. I don't know what plans you have with my parents. But let me make this clear to you. I don't love you, and I will never love you. you need to see how very stupid you look in that mini wedding dress. Prancing around the whole of this palace like a sexually over-lubricated rhesus monkey. You may do yourself some good to pick up those miserable items on that expensive table and get out of this palace.
Dad, I'm not enjoying anything. In fact, I'm coming back to the UK immediately.
What is wrong, my daughter?
Daddy, everything is wrong. Everything is wrong.
Stop, my dear. I will call you back later. Okay?
Hello, my friend Elias. How are you doing?
How do you expect me to be doing when my daughter is passing through emotional stress and insult in the hands of your son? This is not what we agreed on. I did not bring my daughter to your house for your son to be breaking her heart. I think it's time for my daughter to come back to UK.
Elias, no, it hasn't come to that. See, I will talk to my son. And I'm assuring you now that nobody will put your daughter's emotion to risk. Please.
Well, I may have no choice than to ask my daughter to start coming back to UK if she complains again.
See, she will have no cause again to complain. I am telling you that, okay? Believe me. Meanwhile, how is UK? I hope things are moving fine.
UK is fine, thank you.
All right. Okay. Nnamdi. You cannot bring me down. No.
Whatever it is that is putting this fabulous smile on the face of the Princess of Umuachi must be breathtaking. Have you found him?
Oh, Mom.
Come on, stop this prank. When are you bringing him home?
Please stop.
Please, I can't wait to meet him.
Oh my God. I can't wait. Please stop.
Okay. Let's go inside.
My back home.
What did you do to Vivian?
I didn't do anything to her, Dad.
You didn't do anything to her? You're telling me that Vivian and her father are lying? Nami, why is it so difficult for you to treat this beautiful girl nicely for once? Why?
That's because I don't love her, Daddy. Can't you see it? I don't have any feelings for her. Dad, tell me the truth. Why do you want your son to get married to a lady he feels nothing for? Why?
Mama, this is getting serious. You're not getting any better.
What are we going to do? There is no cover in this house.
Don't worry, Mama.
I'll take care of you. The only problem I'm having now is that we've not been paid. And I don't even know how to ask the queen for money.
Don't worry, I will be fine. I will be fine, my daughter. Where are you going to?
Nowhere, Mama. In fact, I'm coming.
Why never bring my clothes since?
Good down now. Now why everything I bring now? Good down. Oh boy, you try for me. Oh, you try.
Wait first. You don't even wash them. See how they smell.
I wash them now. I wash them. See,
you wash with.
I wash them. Why they talk like this now? Now what for you? I be your guy. You good down. Relax.
So how the outing go now?
Nah. Now waiting. I say man, I can't gist you now. Now the team blend. See how the girl just the monkey, eh? Oh boy. Where my package shirts? Maintain package. You understand? Okay. Now why I even bring this one self? Make you help me, give me one senator cloth, any traditional way you get.
Might give you clothes. Yeah, in a boutique where you go come carry clothes go.
I even need money. You don't say you be my guy. As you don't help me finish.
You need money.
I need money.
I can't go. Later I'll go see.
Why they do like this?
Later I'll go see. Yeah.
Listen, come now.
They go. Later I'll go see.
Later when?
Hello.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
You don't sound fine. Tell me, what is the problem?
My prince. My mother is very sick.
Your mother is sick?
Yes.
By the way, have you given her anything?
I got some medicine for her from a nearby chemist.
Okay, you know what? I will be there later in the day.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Who was that?
It's nobody serious.
She right?
Well, like I said, it's nobody serious.
Shut up. Oh yes. You lied to me. You said you have nothing to do with this girl. Why would she call you? Why would she call you? And you have the audacity to pick her call in my presence.
Well, she just called me to tell me that her mom is sick. That's all.
She called you to tell you that her mother is sick. Are you a doctor? Eh? Are you? Doesn't she know the way to the hospital? Are you the one that will take care of her sick mother? Rubbish.
Young man, my queen here, my wife, told me that you are a friend to my daughter, the princess.
Absolutely, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me more about yourself and your background?
Okay.
Your Highness, he is...
Hey, please. Please, allow the young man to speak for himself. Go ahead, my dear.
Thank you, my king. Well, my great-grandfather was Nana Olomo.
Wait a minute. Nana Olomo of Shekiri Kingdom?
Absolutely.
Oh my God. Nana, the powerful man that gave the white men the fight of their life.
Exactly, you know him too well.
All powerful Nana. Oh my God. Even though he was exiled to Ghana, but he later came back. Very powerful man. Hey, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Actually, my dad works with the Shell company as their MD.
Alright.
And secondly, my mom works with American Air Force.
That's good, that's good, that's good. You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome. You see, you are free to come into this palace anytime, any day. Okay?
Wow. I'm so grateful, sir.
Oh, okay. Your Highness.
Yeah.
The dining is set.
Okay. Okay. All right. So shall we?
Yes, to the dining, please.
After you.
Yeah, he is. My dad is not as tough as people think he is.
Yeah. Efe, I'm so hot.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me, let me pick this call.
Okay.
The mechanic. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. You've not done it? Why? Alright, send your bank details immediately. Let me transfer. Now. What do you mean? You don't have a bank account? Efe.
Ose.
Can you imagine this idiot you sent my car to don't even have a bank account?
Sure.
Wow. And I'm cashless here. Sweetheart, please, sorry. Can you do me a favor? I need 20,000 to send to the mechanic so that he will fix my car. Immediately I get to the office, I will do a transfer to you. If you don't mind, you can send one of your boys to go
Please,
with
baby,
me.
don't say that. it's all right. Casey,
My princess.
go to my room. The drawer by the left. You'll see some money there. Just count out 20,000 naira. Get it immediately.
My princess.
All right. Be fast about it.
And one more favor from you. If you don't mind, to tell your driver to drop me off at the airport.
No problem.
I hope I'm not bothering.
No, not at all. Okay, thank you. Should I? Yeah, okay. Casey. You have to go drop them off, okay? Be careful and be fast about it. All right, baby.
All right.
I'll miss you. All right, take care. Open the gate.
Prince, what is wrong? You look unhappy.
Yes. Now, why would you have to come all the way down here to my school to see me without my approval? Why?
But I'm your girlfriend. Won't I visit if there is any need?
Will you keep quiet? Now, what if something happened to you on your way down here? Tell me. Or what if someone from the palace saw you? What am I supposed to tell my father?
Okay, I'm sorry. It's just that I was calling your phone. You weren't picking.
Well, I was very busy. I was very busy.
My mother is dying. You abandoned her in the hospital.
they refuse to continue the treatment if I don't bring the remaining balance.
Okay, go and see your mother in the ward. I'll inform the doctor that you've made the payment.
Okay, please do. Thank you very much. Okay.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Where have you been?
I went to look for money for your treatment.
Did you succeed?
Sorry. You'll be fine. That's what happened to you.
Sorry. Mama, that was how I raised the money. It was not really easy.
Thank you. How are you, madam?
I'm fine, doctor.
You'll be fine, eh? I know by now you must have appetite.
Yes.
That's good. I've ordered the nurse to come and administer some injections in the drip. You try and go get something for her to eat.
Okay, doctor.
I'll make it quick.
Okay, thank you very much.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
I might need to go. Let me go and prepare something for you to eat. I'll be back. Take care of yourself.
Will you open this gate? Is something wrong with you? Why did it take you this long to open the gate? You not been standing here for close to an hour?
The king gave us an instruction not to open the gate for you this night.
The king did what?
He gave us a clear instruction not to open the gate for you.
There's something wrong with it. Hey! Hey! Mom, pick your call now. Yeah, okay. You don't know. Hey! Yeah!
For what it's worth, there's no essence to brilliance or intelligence if you cannot back it up with sufficient hard work.
Of course, now.
My prince, the king demands your presence in the palace immediately.
Now?
Yes, my prince.
Okay. I have to go see my father.
You too.
Huh?
Yes, my prince.
What?
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's
Nandi, this is the girl I have approved for your marriage. I have warned you more than once to keep away from this outcast. A royal blood is so thick that it can never be mixed up with the blood of an outcast. But you wouldn't listen to me. Instead, you would sneak out of this palace all alone into somewhere just to see her. Be very careful, Nnamdi.
That's because I love her, father. I love her, and she's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Then you have to choose between your family and this thing.
My king, it hasn't gotten to this.
Keep out of this, Lolo. It has gone beyond that. Yes.
I love my family. Very much at that. But nothing in this world will make me mortgage the love I have for Ujunwa. Outcast or not.
Nnamdi. Please, choose your family and let me go.
No. You go nowhere.
You have made your choice. And you cease to be my son from this moment. Leave my palace.
No, my
Hey, keep out of this law. Go back to your seat. Back to your seat! Now leave my palace. And where do you think you are going?
To get my things.
What things? I gave you life, and I gave you those things. You must leave my house without any of them. So out. Get out! I forbid you, Lord. I forbid you. You want to try me?
How could you? How could you let our son walk away? Even when I pleaded on his behalf, what kind of a father are you? Now I know you have the heart of a stone. Please, my king, temper justice with mercy. Please, my king. If not for any other thing, for my own sake,
Please. Please.
Lolo.
King.
I am a king.
Yes, I do know.
Kings are no dogs that will turn around and eat their vomit. I have said it, I have spoken, and it is final.
You're welcome back, Mom.
Thank you, my son, once again for coming to my rescue.
It's not a problem. Huh? Anything to put a smile on her face. Hmm? Very well, Mama. I'll have to be on my way now. Okay?
No, my son. Not today you step foot into my house. I must make something for you.
Mama, you don't need to bother yourself. Huh? Just go inside and relax. Maybe some other time. Huh?
I disagree. Get him a seat. I must offer you something before you go.
Okay, Mama.
If you insist then.
Yes, I insist.
After you. You're welcome back, huh?
Thank you.
No worries.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone.
Are you sure you're doing the right thing?
I really don't care. All I know is that I love you and I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. My father wants me to suffer. That's why he threw me out of the palace. So I will go suffer and then come crawling to beg him. But no, I don't care what it takes me. I will stick to you.
Let's go to my house. My mother will gladly welcome us.
No. I don't want us to go to your house. I don't want us to go anywhere they can trace us. I want us to go far, far away to another land. If we go to your house, they might locate us. I have a friend from Umwaji Kingdom. I think he can be of help.
Umwaji?
Yes.
Umwaji is very, very far from here.
The more reason we have to start going now before it gets dark.
I don't have any money, but I have your honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else.
I had a nice time, huh? So, when are you going back to the palace?
Since Mama is okay now, I should be going back, let's say tomorrow.
That's nice. Well, I'll be going back to school now. As soon as we're on vacation, I'll be back to the palace. Okay? What is it?
Okay. Just I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too, okay? Alright, come here. Come here. Come here, my darling. I'll see you soon, okay? I'll take care of Mama. Take care of Mama.
Good morning.
Did you sleep at all?
We did.
We did. Good morning.
Good morning. I can see you're ready for the work.
Yes, we are.
Oh, good. But you can't farm with these same clothes.